Hey, it's Betsy Jordan. I'm an ex-Disney consultant and consulting business owner turned business mentor and positioning strategist. And what I do is I help consultants and coaches make more money by making a bigger difference. And speaking of money and a difference, let me ask you some questions. Are you happy with how much money you're making as a consultant or coach overall? And are you happy with what you're making from each client and what you're actually doing with your clients? And are you doing the strategic and transformational work that you're capable of? Or do you feel stuck, pigeonholed into tactics, tools, and process work, or on that chase for small gigs or billing by the hour? If any of this hits home, here's the truth. It's not you. It's how you're positioned. And here's the good news is that you can change it. You can take control over your business, your impact, your influence, and your income by taking charge of how you're positioning yourself with clients, particularly when you're landing work. So I learned this lesson very early on when I was at Disney. So having the consultant title and the place on the org chart didn't mean that leaders automatically brought me in to guide them on the strategic work. If I wanted that, I had to position myself for it. And that meant pivoting requests for things like meeting facilitation into conversations about their bigger goals. And this is how I wound up advising Disney executives on massive transformation projects. And later, when I launched my own consulting business, I carried the same approach forward. And I grew my practice to 300,000 in the first 18 months, not because I had endless leads, it's because I knew how to maximize the value of every single one. So when other consultants and coaches ask me, like, well, how did you do this? I'm like, well, I had to break down my process and put it into what's now my formal partnership setup approach. And I have helped countless consultants and coaches apply this process to instantly and dramatically level up their impact and income, not with shameless self promotion, not with aggressive pricing, but simply by making a bigger impact. And I am so passionate about this approach because when you apply it, everyone wins. Your clients achieve what matters most to them, and then you receive equitable compensation in return. And this is exactly what I'll be teaching you inside the Impact and Income Accelerator. So, this is an 8-week group coaching program designed to help you confidently land strategic, higher paying client engagements. So, what you're going to get is live sessions, proven templates, scripts, tools, and expert coaching from me, including support for your real-time client opportunities behind the scenes. And you're going to walk away with everything that you need to position yourself as a trusted partner, create ROI framed offers, and charge fees that reflect your work. The best part? You don't have to wait months to see results. You can apply what you learn with your very next client opportunity. So here's what you can expect: more yeses, higher fees that reflect the value that you create, more strategic work that excites you and that allows you to catalyze significant career, leadership, and business and organizational transformations, and more time back because you're getting paid for the results that you deliver and not the hours that you work. Make more, make a bigger difference by working less. So now I know the economy has your clients feeling very cautious, but the truth is they need you now more than ever. And this program is exactly what you need to help them see that working with you is not an expense that they can put off. It's an investment that will deliver a powerful ROI and exactly what they need right now. So if you are ready to step into your power as a strategic partner, especially now in this uncertain economy, then please join me and your like-minded peers inside the Impact and Income Accelerator. So click on the button below, get enrolled now, and I cannot wait to empower your elevated success and impact.